Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Toyota Camry's cruise control with an easy method. This convenient feature helps you maintain a consistent speed on the highway, making long journeys more comfortable. You will find the primary controls on a small stalk, usually located on the lower right side behind your steering wheel. Understanding these simple steps will allow you to enjoy a more relaxed driving experience. To begin, locate the cruise control stalk behind the lower right side of your steering wheel. Press the on/OFF button found at the end of this stalk. You will see a green indicator light appear on your dashboard, confirming the system is active and ready to be set. Now, accelerate your Camry to your preferred cruising speed. Remember, you must be traveling at least 25 miles per hour for the system to engage. With the system active and your desired speed reached, simply push the stalk down briefly and then release it to set your cruising speed. The vehicle will now maintain this speed automatically. If you wish to adjust your speed, gently push the stalk up to increase it or down to decrease it. Each quick tap will change your speed by about 1 mile per hour, allowing for precise adjustments. If you need to temporarily cancel cruise control, simply pull the stalk towards you or gently tap your brake pedal. The system will pause, but remember your set speed. To resume, push the stalk up briefly. For complete deactivation, press the on/OFF button again. Always use cruise control responsibly on open roads, avoiding heavy traffic, winding paths, or slippery conditions for your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.